I'm going to tell you the first 11 things that a woman notices about a man. My name is Joseph Apparati. Welcome to another video. This is An Average Gentleman, and on my channel I like to talk about men's fashion, lifestyle tips, advice, and hacks. So if you're interested in learning more, hit that subscribe button right down below and turn on notifications. So you see this sexy lady giving you the eyes from across the room, and you know what I'm talking about, fellas, the eyes. But why exactly is she giving you the eyes? Well, I'm here to tell you. So number one on our list is the hair. So whether you're balding or you got long flowing locks, guys, she's noticing your hair. So the good news about your hair, guys, is it's pretty easy to change up and make it a lot more noticeable. So spend a couple extra minutes and make sure you look tip top before you go out. You don't want to have an ugly mop on top of your head. Trust me, you'll thank me later. All right, number two, the smile. And I've talked about this a lot, guys, and I feel like smiling is probably the easiest thing you can do. A woman is going to notice your smile. They don't want to see a smug jerk walking into the club and just looking like they own the place. Come on, lighten up a little bit and crack a smile. And also, your odds of being approached drastically improve if you just smile. And I get it, you have this amazing chiseled jawline that you want to accentuate, but chill out and try not to look like a serial killer. So number three may seem like a no-brainer, but that's what you're wearing. The old saying is, your clothes say a lot about you. So you're nuts if you think women aren't looking at your attire. Clothing can paint the picture of who you are, what you do, or even give a glimpse of what you want to accomplish. So please do yourself a favor, take a little bit more time and put on something that is sure to impress. Not only should you be wearing nicer clothing than a t-shirt and a pair of shorts, but you should take a little bit of extra time and find something that fits you well. Something that's going to complement your strengths. So number four on our list is how you carry yourself or your vibe. So do you hold your head high when you walk into a room, or do you try to fly under the radar? Are you nice to people or are you smug? Well, women are going to notice. Trust me, this is something that can make or break you. Not only is she noticing how you carry yourself, but she's noticing how you interact with other people. So carry yourself with confidence and be respectful. You can thank me later. So number five on our list is hands. So you thought those crusty calluses were gonna go unnoticed? Nope. Women notice your hands. No woman wants dry, scratchy hands touching all over them. Well, it really doesn't take much to moisturize and clip those talons you've been working on. So men, trim your nails and invest in a good hand lotion, because women love soft hands, but not too soft. Number six, your skin. Much like your hands, your skin is something that a lot of guys actually neglect, including myself at times. But women are gonna definitely notice if you take care of your skin. Clogged pores, dry skin, blemishes, all things a good skincare routine can help reduce. After all, you do want women as close as possible to your face. And moving right along to number seven, scent. Probably one of the most important things and the main thing she's going to remember. Women and pretty much everyone around you are gonna notice your scent. I firmly believe that smell is the strongest sense tied to memory. So leave a good lasting impression on your lady. Posture. I don't think I need to go too in depth about posture. So come on, guys, don't slouch. Just hold your head up high, hold those shoulders back, stand up straight, and own it. I'm gonna talk about our physique. So you've been hitting the gym hard, and that shirt is accentuating all of those gains that you've been getting lately. And guess what? She notices. So regular exercise is not only healthy, but women notice when you take care of yourself. And it's actually a big indicator that you're gonna take care of them. So get a normal fitness routine and stick to it. Number 10 on our list is your eyes. The windows to your soul, or so they say. Women are gonna notice your eyes, and especially if you make eye contact. I don't think it really matters what color eyes you have, but that eye contact piece is extremely important. It's gonna show that you're interested. Oh, one other note, don't forget to trim up those bushy eyebrows. And finally, number 11 on our list is accessories. Are you wearing a watch? Are you wearing an earring? Are you wearing a bracelet? Did you overdo it with some gold chains? Women pay attention to these details. So my rule of thumb is to keep it simple and understated. If you're not used to accessories, fellas, fellas, start out with just a watch, and preferably a normal timepiece, because let's face it, whenever you have a smartwatch on and you're talking to that lady that you work so hard and all night to actually have a conversation with, those notifications are going to detract from that and be a distraction. So I've talked a lot about the first 11 things that a woman notices about a man. Did you actually learn anything today? Well, if you did, drop a comment down below, and also let me know what you think women notice first about a man. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Well, this has been Joseph with An Average Gentleman, and I look forward to bringing you many more videos. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.